So, MiniMax H3 is a recently released open-weight video generation model from MiniMax. And in this video, I'm going to try running it on some cheap GPUs like the T4, A30, L4, and more to see which one is actually worth using. Most of these GPUs cost under $1 per hour, and I'm using a cloud GPU provider that I found affordable and reliable for these tests, but you can use any provider you want. So let's just start. So first one is NVIDIA GeForce 940MX with 2GB VRAM, which is my own laptop's GPU. I checked, and MiniMax H3 needs way more VRAM than this, even with lower configurations, so it can't run the model. So I'm just going to skip this one. Next is the T4 with 16GB of VRAM, and I'm going to use a Kaggle notebook for running this, so it will be free. I'm just going to quickly set up WAN2GP, and then we'll move to the interface. So I got access to the interface. Now I'm going to select the model, which is MiniMax H3, and the variant as FL2VA Pruned 20B with 4 steps and turbo LoRA. I'll just change the prompt, keep everything else as it is, and press the generate button. And after some configuration and a 4-step process, we're going to get our video. And here's our video. And it took around 27 minutes to generate. So it looks good, but 27 minutes is a lot for a 5-second video. But since it's free, it's understandable. So next one is the A30 with 24GB of VRAM, and it's going to cost me 41 INR per hour, which is around 42 cents per hour. So let me quickly set up WAN2GP here too. Now here also, I'm going to do the same thing, which is MiniMax H3 with the FL2VA Pruned 20B variant, 4 steps with turbo LoRA, 5 seconds duration, and 480p quality, using the same prompt. And after the configuration and a 4-step process, we're going to get our video. And as you can see, in just 5 minutes and 36 seconds, we got our video. So it looks good, and it's way faster than the free T4. After that, the next one is the L4 with 24GB of VRAM, and it's going to cost me around 43 INR per hour, which is around 45 cents. So I'll quickly set up WAN2GP here as well. So here, I'll set up the same thing by selecting MiniMax H3, the 20B variant, with 4 steps turbo LoRA, 480p quality, 5 seconds duration, and the same prompt. After configuring the basic setup and finishing the 4-step process, here's our video. And it took around 6 minutes and 10 seconds to generate the video. And the video looks good, but it took slightly more time than the A30, which is even slightly cheaper. But it's still much faster than the free T4. And the last one is the A100 with 40GB of VRAM. And it's going to cost me around 85 INR per hour, which is around 89 cents per hour. So I'll quickly set up WAN2GP here too. And then the same setup again, which is MiniMax H3, the FL2VA Pruned 20B variant with 4 steps turbo LoRA, 480p quality, 5 seconds duration, and the same prompt. And after the setup and 4 steps, here's our video. So it generated the video in 4 minutes and 59 seconds. So it looks good, and it's the fastest out of all our previous video generations. So this is how all the GPUs performed with the same settings. My 940MX couldn't run it. The T4 is free, but took the longest. The L4 was slightly slower than the A30, and the A100 is the fastest, but costs the most. So far, the A30 looks like the best value. And I even tried the full variant of MiniMax H3 with 10 steps, and on the A30, it took around 7 minutes and 16 seconds. And here's the video. And with the L4, it took around 4 minutes and 31 seconds. And here's the video. and the A100 took only 3 minutes and 42 seconds. So here's the video. So with the full variant and 10 steps, the A100 was the fastest, followed by the L4 and then the A30. And since the A100 was the fastest, I also tried increasing it to 20 steps, which took around 4 minutes and 30 seconds. So this is the final comparison. My 940MX couldn't run it, and the T4 was free but took the longest at 27 minutes. The A30 and L4 were much faster and cost under 50 cents per hour, while the A100 was the fastest overall but also cost the most. So that's it for trying MiniMax H3 on these different GPUs. And for more AI-related videos, check out my channel.